Welcome back viewers to a new and exciting video. I'm Faruque Azam and you are watching Gyan की बातें with Azam YouTube channel on YouTube. सब्सक्राइब करें ज्ञान की बातें विद आजम यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि इस चैनल पे आने वाले वीडियोस के अपडेट्स आप पा सकें. So I will show you how to write on your laptop. Exactly how to write on your laptop using this pen. Can you write on your laptop using this pen? Yes, you can write using this tablet. So what you have to do, bring this tablet, purchase this tablet on Amazon or Flipkart. I will give you the link of the tablet. As you can see, I have elementary OS, so I haven't installed Windows OS because I don't think it would be useful for me, because I have not that much money so that I can invest on Windows, because Windows is very costly. So I have installed elementary OS as it is free for all, and it is a Linux based OS. You can also install Ubuntu or Linux Mint, because these are some free operating system that you can use. So I haven't installed Windows, but you can use this tablet on Windows too, and that application that you should use on Windows, that is I think OneNote application, OneNote software that you should use to write on your laptop or on your desktop screen. So first you have to do, just plug the data cable there and plug that data cable into the USB port. Start working without any driver needed to install, because it is elementary OS. But on Windows you have to install a driver using this CD. If you have a Windows operating system, then you have to run this CD that is provided by Wacom. So run this CD, and after that you can install a driver so that you can use this Wacom tablet. But Linux, you do not need to install any kind of driver. You can run it without installing any driver, as Linux have already the driver needed to run it. So you can use it now. You should install My Paint application, as I have already installed it. You can use it. You can install My Paint application. You have to install it, and after that you will have a screen like this, My Paint, and now you can write on it using any ink you like: blue, red, black, yellow, green. Okay, now I am using black, red. I am writing Gyan ki Batein. Okay, so you should subscribe my channel, Gyan ki Batein YouTube channel. So I am giving you the close view. Look at this. You can write it. You can change color. Okay, you can change the size of the pen. Okay, you can change the size of the pen. Okay, you can undo. Okay, so if you want to use this, then you have to buy it on Amazon or Flipkart. You should buy it on Amazon or Flipkart or wherever you can find it. It costs around 5,000 to 4,000 to 5,000, and this is very useful for those teachers who have hundreds of students in front of them and they want to teach them, and students can see on the projector. So make notes of his studies and other stuffs, so he can save it and open it and using his laptop, or he can save it on his desktop, and he or she doesn't require to have a khata, that is notebook, physical notebook. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like the video and share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much.